Just because my hair isn't very fat anymore doesn't mean I'm not dedicated to helping myself and you make tons of fat stacks.
Hello there, beautiful people. This is Nathaniel with the Fat Stacks Academy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make over $2,000 with the best bank account and credit card bonuses of April 2024. It's my goal to take $10 million from the banks this year by helping 1,000 people make $10,000 or more. So, if you're up for making some fat stacks, hit that like button and let's get stacking. Banks have been making money off of our paycheck, our savings, our money, and our direct deposit for our entire life. They make money from interest, from interchange fees, and from late fees and overdraft fees. And in 99% of cases, they have not been compensating us fairly for the wheelbarrows of cash that they've made over years and years of our hard work and labor. If you feel like me that your work and money goes unnoticed by your bank, I think it's time to get to work and make some of the money back. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. This video is intended for educational and entertainment purposes only. Some of the links in the description have affiliate links that can make me some money, so take that disclaimer for what it's worth. I always try to find the best offers available as of the recording of this video, but it's always best practice to do a little bit of research and make sure you're getting the best offer out there and not just trust a random guy on the internet. If you've been watching these videos for a while now, I ask you to do two things. The first thing is to make sure you're getting the best offer you possibly can. And the second thing is to think of the children, specifically my children, because when you use the links, I might make a little bit of money and it helps me be motivated to continue making these videos to help get more and more money from the banks and into our pockets. With all that out of the way, let's get stacking and make some cash this month. All right, the first set of offers we're going to start leveraging this week is our paycheck, and it's going to get started off with Axos Bank. They are offering a $300 direct deposit bonus when you deposit $1,000 a month for the next 3 months. The way this offer works is you'll get $100 deposited into your account for each direct deposit of $1,000 or more for the first 3 months of opening the account. There are no listed minimum balances or fees on the account, so you don't have to worry about that. And you can't have opened an account with this bank within the last 12 months to be eligible for this offer. They do state in their terms that you need to keep your account open for 210 days. So once you get the bonus, make sure to mark your calendar to close the account if you want to get this bonus again in the future. And don't close it early in case they try to claw back that bonus. Now, here's an additional pro tip for this offer. When I was scripting the video, I was taking screenshots and everything, and I saw that there's also a stackable $50 offer from Rakuten, which is an online web portal that you can just attach to Chrome as a browser extension, or I think any other browser. I'll leave a link to that in the description. When you have Rakuten activated, you'll get an extra $50 in your Rakuten account once you meet these bonus requirements, bring the total to $350 for this first offer. In addition to that, if you don't have a Rakuten account yet, if you make a purchase of $30 or more on tons of online retailers, they'll also give you another $30 back. So if you don't have that account yet, it's worth looking into, especially since it boosts this first. Okay, in the next offer, we're going up to a big bank, and that will be the Chase Total Checking Account. They are offering another $300 direct deposit bonus, but this one only requires one $500 direct deposit within the first 90 days of account opening, so it's a little easier to hit and get that money back. There are some fees to be aware of on this account, though, that you don't want to have the mistake of hitting. There's a monthly service fee of $10 to $12 if you don't at least have a $500 direct deposit in your checking account for the statement period, $1,500 or more in the checking account, or keeping an average of $5,000 in qualifying accounts, which if you're stacking this with another bonus I'm going to talk about next will be really easy to do to avoid that fee. On this account, there are no rules listed, so as soon as you get the bonus, you can close it. I wouldn't close it yet if you get this one if you're going to do the Chase savings bonus that I'm going to be talking about in just a little bit. All right, so for our paycheck this month with the Axos $300 bonus plus the Rakuten $50, that's $350, and another $300 from Chase brings our total on the Fat Stacks counter to $650 for April 2024. All right, this month I'm going to skip right over to savings because our first savings bonus actually links with the checking bonus on Chase. This will save you a lot of time. You can actually open both accounts at the same time and get a really lucrative bonus. For the Chase savings bonus, you'll get $200 when you deposit $15,000 and leave it in the account for 90 days. Normally, this isn't a very good offer because your Chase savings account is not getting anywhere close to the high yields of a high yield savings account like Wealthfront or even Ally of 4 to 5.5%. So you're losing out money by having it here. But if you do this savings bonus along with the Chase checking bonus, Chase is going to give you an extra $400 for completing them both at the same time, as long as you sign up for it on their main page from the link in the description. So what you'll want to do, sign up for the checking account and savings account in the link below. You'll get the paycheck direct deposit bonus. And then after you get your 90 days with the savings bonus, they'll add an additional $400 to the $200, bringing this savings bonus to $600. I'll add another $600 to the Fat Stacks counter, and I want to go over one very quick deposit bonus for the Schwab investment account. Charles Schwab is offering a $101 equivalent value bonus when you open a new investment. The way it works is once you deposit $50 into that account, shortly thereafter, Schwab is going to put another $101 bonus in there, and they purchase the top 5 companies in the S&P 500. What you can do though is once they put an order in for those purchases is you can sell them, or what you can do before those trades go all the way through, you can cancel them and then you just keep that $101 into your account. So for maybe a 10-minute sign up with $50, you get an extra $101, and we'll add that to the Fat Stacks counter as well. And that brings our savings for the month to $701. And we combine that with our paycheck, we're already at $1,351 on our counter.
All right, the last thing I want to talk about this week is our spending. And the best offer I could find that I haven't talked about in previous videos is the American Express Gold Card, specifically the offer on the Resy website. Right now, American Express is offering a bonus of 75,000 membership rewards points when you spend $6,000 in the first 6 months. This is quite a bit higher than the standard offer, and there's also another perk. You'll also get 20% back on all of your dining out and restaurant purchases in the first 12 months, up to $250. So the reason I really like this offer is if you haven't had this card before, it's a great way to try it and have a really easy way to get the annual fee back on top of that really lucrative sign-up bonus. So for the $250 you get back for your dining and restaurant purchases, you'd only have to spend about $100 a month to recoup all of that. So the thing to keep in mind about this card is there is a $250 annual fee, but that $250 dining credit effectively gets rid of it for the first year, and you get that really good sign-up bonus without having to deal with those annoying credits that I'll talk about in a little bit. So for the first part of this counter, we're gonna factor the 75,000 membership rewards points at about 1 cent per point. It's pretty easy to redeem those for at least that amount when you book flights and hotels. You can get quite a bit more for that if you're into the transfer partner game, which they have a lot of the strongest transfer partners in the travel industry. But you can easily just bookmark those points for flights and travel. You have to easily get that 1 cent per point value of $750. So we'll factor that as $750, and then you get $250 in straight cash back for that other offer, effectively negating that annual fee, bringing the total benefit to $750. But the other really cool thing about this card, and why a lot of people find it a good keeper card, is because of its strong spend categories on both dining and groceries. So this card gets you 4 points back for pretty much all dining and restaurants, and 4 points per dollar on most of your supermarket spend at normal grocery stores, usually excluding Walmart and Target. So since it has such strong spending categories in food, which everyone has to buy to live, I think it would be really easy to get another $200 of value just during the sign-up period of this card with those 4X categories. For example, if 5 of the $6,000 that you spend for the sign-up bonus is at grocery stores or restaurants, you would effectively be getting 20,000 membership rewards points or an extra $200 back, bringing the stack total to $950 for your spending. The other thing that I do not like about this card, but it is there and you can get a lot of value out of, are the monthly credits. You get a $10 a month monthly statement credit for select dining and Grubhub, up to $120 per year if you use it every single month. And you also get a separate credit of $10 per month on Uber Cash that you can use for Uber Eats or Uber rides. The reason I don't personally like these is I live in a small town where there is no Uber. I don't travel that often, so I don't get a lot of value out of it. But if you are someone who lives in a city or someone who already uses a lot of the dining restaurants or Ubers around or gets Uber Eats, that effectively could long-term make your annual fee about $10 for this card, and it is one reason why a lot of people keep it. For me, once I get this card, I probably am going to cancel it after the first year though. I won't add this up to $240 in credits to the Fat Stacks counter because I don't know that everyone would do it, and if you're anything like me, you're probably not going to get maximum value out of those credits. One warning about this credit card I should bring up though is if you're planning on getting all of the potential sign-up bonuses on the American Express personal cards, you do not want to get this card before you get the American Express green card. The way that their promotions work on both of these cards is you cannot get a sign-up bonus on the green card if you have previously gotten one on the gold card on most of their offers. I still will probably just get this card before I get the green card because the green sign-up bonus usually isn't that lucrative for the spend, and the benefits of that card don't really fit my lifestyle. And because the sign-up bonus is lower than so many other offers that are available on both the personal and business side, I just don't see myself getting the green card. But the gold one is something that I could potentially use because of those spending multipliers in the long run, so it is on my radar to get. Okay, so the total for our spending is $950. All right, so that is the best offers for April 2024 for bank accounts and credit cards. Let's do a quick recap with the Chase and Axos direct deposit bonus. Along with the Rakuten boost, you'll get an extra $650 from your paycheck. With the Chase savings account and the Schwab bonus, you'll be getting another $701. And for your spending with the American Express Gold Card, almost anyone should be able to get at least $950 of value. Bring the total for this month to $2,301. Comment below if you're going to be working on any of these offers or if there are any other ones you're currently pursuing. I always love to hear from you guys. And if you want to help me take $10 million from the bank by helping a lot of other people get a little bit richer, hit that like button so the almighty algorithm will spread this video around. And as always, if you want to be reminded of how beautiful you are on each and every upload and learn how to make a new fat stack of cash, hit that subscribe button. So for everything I talked about this video, the links will be in the description for all of the offers that are available. And as always, if you use those links, some of them do have affiliate programs, and it will help me be motivated to continue making videos like these in the future. That's it for the video today, but I have lots of other ones. Go ahead and click on this one over here. That's the one the algorithm says you'll enjoy the most.
Fat stacks. We're making money, sky high stacks. I'm out there making fat stacks. We're making money, sky high stacks.